Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by naming what you need and why. This reduces guesswork and reveals patterns. Say one clear ask example, reply within 48 hours or schedule a call, and set a boundary if ignored. Once done, send that message calmly. Use your chosen medium so you don't enable wishful thinking. Make sure to record the response pattern for yourself. It helps you spot breadcrumbing versus genuine busyness. This is the first real step toward control. You now shift from seeking to managing. Reply with low-investment messages, short, clear, and decisive, so you don't reward half-effort. Once done, allow one measured follow-up. If silence continues, pause contact for 3-7 days to recalibrate expectations. Make sure to avoid emotional explanations in these exchanges. Brevity signals you value your time. If they re-engage only occasionally, respond according to your boundaries, not their mood. This teaches limits through consistent You finish by choosing one of two paths: escalate with a firm final choice or exit with dignity. Say, commit by X date, schedule a meeting, or I'll step back, then stick to it. Once done, reduce availability immediately if they ignore you. No late-night texts, no instant favors. Make sure to troubleshoot. If you struggle to enforce this, get a friend's view and rehearse your words. That external feedback helps you maintain resolve and avoid falling back into breadcrumb patterns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.